What if I told you your non-dominant hand holds the key to untapped brain potential? And then what if I told you that something as quirky as sniffing the pages of an old book could be your brain's ticket to an upgrade? And what if there were several more simple yet unexpected ways to boost your brain power that go beyond the usual eat well, sleep well advice? Well, stick around, curious one. We've got 7 brain hacks that will not only redefine your everyday thinking about the brain, but also boost brain function and mental well-being in ways you've likely never imagined. Really, they will. Here, see for yourself. Think of your brain as a live orchestra. Each neuron plays its rhythm, shifting from the calming alpha waves during relaxation to the focused beta waves in concentration. And imagine if the music you listen to could sync with these brainwaves. It's not just about finding a beat to tap your foot to. It's about harmonizing the very rhythms of your brain. Now pay attention to the music playing under my studly masculine voice. Hear it? What if I were to tell you that at this very moment the music you're listening to is tapping into your brain's wiring? Now don't be scared. It's nothing sinister. It's just the power of binaural beats you're perceiving. This is where 2 slightly different frequencies, played separately to each ear, create a perceived third tone. Your brain in its brilliance tunes into this frequency, aligning your natural brain waves along with it. Whether it's the soothing tempo of alpha waves or the alert rhythm of beta waves, binaural beats can guide your brain into these states, like a natural tuning fork. But this is more than an auditory illusion. It's a neural workout. Listening to binaural beats aligned with alpha waves can shift your brain into a relaxed state, potentially lowering stress hormones and enhancing mental clarity. Think of it as a spa session for your neurons. Conversely, beta wave-aligned beats can sharpen your focus, even boosting cognitive functions like problem-solving and decision-making. And these cognitive benefits aren't fleeting. Regularly syncing your music to your brain's rhythm can potentially bring long-term gains, such as improved memory, heightened creativity, reduced anxiety, and a better mood. So next time you stick in those earbuds, remember, you're not just listening to music, you're orchestrating a symphony for peak brain performance. Ever caught a whiff of something that instantly transported you back in time? Like grandma's apple pie, the smoke from a crackling fire, the musty smell of an old book. Well, it's not just nostalgia, it's neuroscience at play. Our sense of smell is directly wired to the brain's limbic system, the area deeply involved in memory and emotion. This direct connection makes our sense of smell incredibly powerful in triggering vivid memories and emotions. Now here's where it gets even more fascinating. You can harness this power to boost your memory. Think of it like a fragrance filing system. Studying for an exam or trying to remember important information. Try associating a specific scent with your study material. When you need to recall the information, that same scent can act as a trigger, unlocking those memories with clarity. And it's not just for studying. This can be a game changer in your day-to-day life. Linking scents to daily tasks or routines can create mental shortcuts, making it easier to recall and organize information. It's like creating a personalized scent map for your day-to-day activities. For instance, the zesty smell of lemon could be your morning wake-up call, energizing you and sharpening your focus as you plan your day. The rich aroma of coffee might not just be your favorite breakfast companion, but also a signal for your brain to kickstart into work mode. During work, you could use a specific fragrance like rosemary, known for improving concentration and memory retention, to help you stay on track with your tasks. Then, as you transition into relaxation in the evening, the soothing scent of jasmine or lavender can signal your brain to unwind, aiding in stress relief and preparing you for a good night's sleep. So, the next time you smell something that takes you back, just remember, unlocking your brain's memory potential might just be a sniff away. Have you ever felt an instant wave of calm just by being surrounded by trees? Or maybe you felt rejuvenated by a walk on the beach, your feet tickled by the foamy tide. Welcome to forest bathing. And no, we're not talking about soaking in a tub outdoors like in one of those weird TV commercials. This is about a real feet-on-the-ground experience in nature, a practice far more powerful and accessible, even in the heart of a big city. Forest bathing, or Shinrin-yoku, as it's referred to in Japan, goes beyond a simple walk in the park. It's a deliberate and mindful immersion in the natural world, and it has profound effects on our brain health. When you're surrounded by nature, it's not just your mood that gets a lift. Your entire brain enters a state of rejuvenation. Nature engages our senses in a symphony of healing, the soft whispers of leaves in the wind, the rich, earthy smell of the ground, the intricate designs of leaves and branches. This multisensory experience decreases stress hormones and increases feel-good neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. And the impact is profound. Improved focus, heightened creativity, and even a stronger immune system. It's like hitting the reset button for your brain, allowing it to recuperate from our often hectic technology-filled lives. Nature therapy isn't just an escape, it's an essential tool for mental clarity and well-being. But what if you live in a bustling cityscape with more skyscrapers than trees? Nature therapy is still within reach. It can be as simple as visiting a local park, tending to a garden, or even spending time with indoor plants. Urban green spaces provide an oasis of tranquility amidst the concrete jungle, offering many of the same benefits as a wilderness retreat. By seeking out these pockets of green, even busy city dwellers can hit the reset button on their brains, mitigating the effects of urban stress. So, the next time you need to clear your mind or lift your spirits, remember, the answer might just lie in a quiet moment under a tree, a walk along a beach, or a walk along a tree-lined street. Here's a strange question. Have you ever tried brushing your teeth with your non-dominant hand? This simple switch can do more than just challenge your coordination. It's a workout for your brain. See, when you use your non-dominant hand for everyday tasks, you're actually stimulating parts of your brain that are typically less active. This can promote neural growth and increased brain connectivity. This hack is grounded in the concept of neuroplasticity, which is just a fancy way of referring to the brain's ability to change and adapt as a result of a new experience. Each time you reach for your coffee cup, or tap a screen with your non-dominant hand, you're forging new pathways in your brain. It's like paving new roads in an unexplored territory of your mind. But it's not just about improving manual dexterity. These exercises can enhance cognitive abilities, including creativity and problem-solving skills. By engaging the non-dominant side of your body, you're flexing the opposite hemisphere of your brain, encouraging a fresh perspective and novel thinking. So, next time you go about your daily routine, try incorporating your non-dominant hand. Whether it's writing a short note, stirring your tea, or even unlocking your door, each activity is an opportunity to boost your brain's agility. It's a simple yet powerful tool to keep your brain sharp and adaptable. Here's an eye-opening fact. Did you know that every 20 minutes your brain is silently begging for a break from that screen in front of you? That's right, even while you're watching this awesome content, you'll want to follow the 20-20-20 rule for eye and brain rest. And in an age where screens dominate our work and leisure, this rule isn't just an eye saver, it's a brain booster. The rule is elegantly simple. Every 20 minutes, pause for 20 seconds to look at something 20 feet away. This simple practice helps reset your visual focus, reducing eye strain and mental fatigue. When you shift your gaze from a close-up screen to a faraway object, you're not just giving your eye muscles a break, you're also allowing different parts of your brain to engage, offering a brief but valuable mental reset. Think of it as a mini recharge for your mind in the midst of a busy day. This periodic shift in focus can also help improve overall brain function, enhancing productivity and creativity by giving your brain a chance to refresh and come back stronger. So the next time you find yourself lost in a screen for hours, even while watching our brain-nourishing content, remember the 20-20-20 rule. It's a simple, effective way to protect your eyesight and keep your brain sharp and energized. What do Leonardo da Vinci and John F. Kennedy have in common? You might be surprised to learn they were both avid doodlers. But these renowned historical figures didn't just doodle to kill time. Their scribbles were a part of their legendary thinking process. Da Vinci's notebooks were a visual playground of art, science, and engineering ideas. And Kennedy's presidential papers revealed doodles of sailboats and islands, hinting at a mind that found solace in the sea, even amidst political turmoil. So doodling is not just for kids, though kids are definitely onto something. Doodling is a cognitive tool that can enhance concentration and focus, not to mention foster creativity. In fact, studies show that doodling while taking in information can be beneficial for memory retention. When you doodle, you engage different neural pathways, making it easier to process and remember information. It's a way of visualizing problems and thoughts, leading to deeper insights and solutions. Beyond its cognitive benefits, doodling is also a stress buster. The simple act of drawing can be a form of mindfulness, helping to calm your mind and provide a much-needed break from the digital overload of daily life. So the next time you're in a meeting, lecture, or brainstorming session, don't hesitate to let your pen wander. You're not just scribbling aimlessly. You're engaging in a time-honored practice shared by some of the greatest minds in history. In a digital world where everything is counted and measured, it's easy to think of napping as a luxury or a sign of laziness. But hold on, because neuroscience has some news for us. A short nap can actually turbocharge your brain. Ever wonder why cats are so sprightly and alert? It's not just the 9 lives, they're also masters of the cat nap, a trick Albert Einstein and Thomas Edison used to spark their own genius. Turns out, these brief snoozes aren't just for our feline friends. They're a powerhouse of rejuvenation for us humans too. A quick cat nap, lasting about 15 to 30 minutes, can reboot your brain and revitalize your energy levels. Now let's break it down. A 10 to 20 minute nap is ideal for when you're on the go and need a rapid recharge. It's like a quick tune-up for your brain's engine, giving you a burst of alertness and enhanced motor performance. And if you power that nap to 20 to 30 minutes, you've hit the sweet spot. This is where your creativity and problem-solving skills get a boost. It's like giving your brain a mini massage, loosening up those knots of stress and tension. For those who have the luxury of a 60 to 90-minute nap, you'll be transported into the dream world of REM sleep. This is where the magic happens. Complex learning, memory consolidation, and emotional processing are all engaged. It's a full brain workout while you rest. So next time you're feeling a bit off your game, why not take a cue from our feline friends? A swift cat nap might just be the perfect solution to clear the mental fog. Yeah, I know, that was terrible. Maybe I should go take a cat nap. Got your own brain hack you found effective? Please, share the wealth in the comments section below. And if you found this content interesting, please consider giving it a thumbs up. Your likes keep us busy creating more brain-nourishing content. Until next time, stay curious.